A few days back, the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis, was in our Republic TV studios. He spoke to Arnab Goswami on Nation Wants to Know, and among all the different news points that came out of it, he made one mention when asked questions on the Sushant Singh Rajput case. He said there is new evidence that has come forth and that evidence has been examined. We have a statement now from the Maharashtra Chief Minister. That's the breaking news update coming in. Two key statements, in fact, that have come in this evening. Let's play that out.
सुशांत सिंह राजपूत प्रकरण असेल त्याची संपूर्ण चौकशी करायची मागणी केली पहिल्याच दिवशी हिंदी में जानना चाहिए
नहीं, जो है वो हकीकत है जिसकी जांच करनी चाहिए, उन्होंने मांग की है और निश्चित रूप से उसकी जांच हो जाएगी।
सुशांत सिंह राजपूत प्रकरण असेल त्याची संपूर्ण चौकशी करायची मागणी केली पहिल्याच दिवशी हिंदी में जानना चाहिए
नहीं, जो है वो हकीकत है जिसकी जांच करनी चाहिए, उन्होंने मांग की है और निश्चित रूप से उसकी जांच हो जाएगी।
There's another soundbite of a leader called Rahul Kanal, who's believed to be a close aide of Aditya Thackeray, and he's just joined the Shinde camp. I'll play that out as well. But Alisha, why is what Shinde says, and he says, he speaks of an expert panel, he speaks of the evidence and gathered, and he speaks about the probe being ongoing. Is there something new? Because even Devendra Fadnavis spoke about some new evidence that's come forward in this case.
Well, yes, Niranjan, because Devendra Fadnavis has clearly mentioned that there are some evidence that has come up, and now the investigation is still in progress. With this new evidence, there will be some evidence, and specifically the investigation that is being underway, and the truth will come out. And the same has been mentioned by Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde. Clearly, when reporters asked him about the case of SSR investigation, where he said that investigation is still in progress, and of course the truth will come out one day. Well, speaking about Rahul Kanal, yes, Rahul Kanal, who is known to be a very close aide of Aditya Thackeray, who has joined Eknath Shinde's faction, clearly mentioned that there were several questions that was raised on him, saying that he's joining Eknath Shinde because there are some of his involvement in the same case, where he has clearly mentioned that I don't have any involvement, and rather the fact that the investigation is underway. And specifically, he spoke to the Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, requesting to conduct a detailed inquiry, detailed investigation into the case, so that the truth will be out, and he will also get to know who are the people who have been mentioned. So these are the clear indications, and there are still several requests that has been made to the Chief Minister as well. And we even know that Maharashtra Home Minister and Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has also clearly mentioned there are some fresh evidence that has emerged, which is but it would be very immature to speak about it because the investigation is still underway.
Here's another response that came in of a leader of the Uddhav Thackeray camp and an aide of Aditya Thackeray who joined the Shinde camp today. Here's what he said on the case.
हमारे ऑनरेबल सीएम साहब से रिक्वेस्ट की, क्या कुछ लोगों ने कहा, बहुत बार बोलते रहे हैं, क्या राहुल कनल इसलिए शिंदे साहब के यहाँ गया है क्योंकि दिशा सालिन और सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की तहकीकात शुरू हुई है। उसी के कारण मैंने सीएम साहब से रिक्वेस्ट की, क्या प्लीज इसमें डिटेल जांच की जाए, और जो लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं उसको जांच के तौर से जवाब दिया जाए, और अगर उसमें मेरा कहाँ पे भी अगर नाम भी आता है तो मैं पॉलिटिक्स छोड़ के उनका जूता खाने तैयार हूँ।
And in the interview with Arnab on The Nation Wants to Know, here's what the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis, said on the ongoing investigation into both the Sushant Singh Rajput case and also in the Disha Salian case.
SSR का केस भी सीबीआई में अगस्त 2020 पे गया, उसके बाद कोई अपडेट नहीं मिलती है।
बिल्कुल,
दिशा सालियान का जो केस था उस पर आपने स्टेटमेंट दिया था, आपने कहा एसआईटी इन्वेस्टिगेशन होगी दिशा सालियान केस पर। आपने महाराष्ट्र असेंबली के बीच में दिसंबर में कहा था कि दिशा सालियान केस मुंबई पुलिस के पास है, हम एसआईटी कराएंगे, इन्वेस्टिगेशन होगी। आशा फिर जग गई थी, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि एसएसआर का केस और दिशा सालियान का केस लिंक्ड है, और आपने उस केस पर जब बात की थी तो बहुत सारे इशारे किए गए थे।
देखिए
क्या हुआ उस केस का?
जो प्राइमरी एविडेंस के आधार पर हमने ये स्टेटमेंट दिया था, वो प्राइमरी एविडेंस हम लोग प्राप्त कर रहे हैं और उसके ऊपर उस एविडेंस को, उसकी क्रेडिबिलिटी को जांच कर आगे की कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
होगी कि नहीं?
बिल्कुल होगी। अगर देखिए ऐसा है,
दिशा सालियान की केस जो
प्राइमा फेसी, देखिए ये क्यों खुली, जब लोगों ने कहा कि हमारे पास इस प्रकार के एविडेंस है, तो हमने ये कहा कि आपका एविडेंस जमा कीजिए, आपके एविडेंस की क्रेडिबिलिटी हम जांचेंगे और अगर वो क्रेडिबल होगा तो हम आगे बढ़ेंगे।
तो इसमें क्लोजर रिपोर्ट तो अभी तक हुई नहीं है।
नहीं होगी।
आपको क्या लगता है पूरी ओपन एंड शट केस है कि ये इसको इन्वेस्टिगेट की जानी चाहिए? इसमें कोई सस्पिशियस फैक्ट्स आए हैं, कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन आई है?
देखिए अभी जो सारी चीजें हियर से आई है वो हियर से ओपन नहीं होती है, लेकिन जब ये क्लेम किया गया कि हमारे पास कॉन्क्रीट एविडेंस है, तो उन लोगों को हमने बुलाया, पुलिस ने उन लोगों को कहा कि आपका कॉन्क्रीट एविडेंस हमको दीजिए। वो लोग उस प्रोसेस में है, वो एविडेंस वो कहते हैं, अगर वो क्रेडिबल एविडेंस है तो ये आगे जाएगा।
रिकॉर्ड की गई है,
कुछ की गई है, कुछ चल रहा है
जी, मतलब इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो रही है जी। इसमें लोग क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं?
आज मैं उसके ऊपर कमेंट करूं, वो स्टेज आने की है, सही स्टेज पे कमेंट करूंगा।
Legally, where does the case stand now? Because we're also hearing that the CBI is waiting for some report from a US lab. Alisha, do you have more details on that?
Well, as of now, there is not a concrete information that has been given by the CBI. But yes, Central Bureau of Investigation has clearly mentioned that there are some evidence and some material that they've been waiting from the US lab as well. But yes, the investigation is still underway. CBI is still looking into the matter. And as Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has clearly mentioned that there are many people who have been coming forward and clearly mentioning that there are some fresh evidence that has been emerged. And the government and the police is going to check the credibility of the same evidence, and the case will go on and the action will be taken according to the evidence that emerge. And as per the CBI, who is already investigating into the case, because there is no closure report as of now, and of course they're also waiting for some of the reports from US lab. Will try to get the more information about it. But yes, even the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Eknath Shinde, when asked about the SSR case, he clearly mentioned that the investigation is still in progress and the truth will come out one day.